All right, what's up, everybody? It's almost well, it's the middle of August now. Dove season's getting closer and closer. As you can see behind me, we had this corn under the pivot. They just picked it this week. As I was pulling in, there's probably 100 birds get up. But I want to show y'all a failure. Well, I don't know if it's a failure. We just tried something different. But this was a low spot in the middle of the corn that we couldn't plant. So we came in here with some millet and sunflower seeds. I'll show you guys one sunflower right over here. That's it. That's the only sunflower seed I've seen out here. The millet is just now starting to put on seed. As you can see, we ran strips on both sides over there and down here, but just walking out through here. Weed control and planting too late, I believe, is what happened to us. So as you can see, this is thick through here. Same way over here. Just looks like, just by looking at the height of these plants, we just did not get this seed in the ground early enough, and we knew that could have been an issue this year, but we were just trying something different. But we've got two more spots, and I'll show them to you in just a second. I believe they're going. All right, guys, here is spot number 2. Let's see, right over here is where we were just at. That tree line, you can see, splits 2 fields, and the pivot splits 2 fields. But here's spot number 2 we planted. Probably 1/4 of an acre in size, but as you can see, it has been overtaken by the weeds. Now that, like I said, this is the first year we've done this, and we did not have Roundup Ready anything, so we couldn't spray. We were just hoping that it would pop up and shade out all the weeds, but that did not work. As you can tell, that's okay. This will give us some cover during dove season. That pivot has been on fire today. I've seen more dove get up from underneath that than I have anything. But yep, so that's spot number 2. I don't know. So you guys that do dove fields, drop me some comments below and let me know where you guys get your Roundup Ready sunflowers from. We'll probably be purchasing some next year so we can spray. The field got sprayed, you know, the corn and all that stuff, so it wouldn't have been a big thing. I assume we can spray with some of the same chemicals you spray corn with if it's Roundup Ready and the corn's Roundup Ready. I don't know. Tell me that too. I don't know a whole lot about sunflower seeds. But let's go check out third spot. Have a feeling it's gonna look exactly the same. Stay tuned. All right, as suspected, weeds have taken over. I assume these tall straight sticks sticking up are some of the mallow. I don't know, somebody tell me. Somebody knows more about plants. I do see a couple of little bitty sunflower seeds. Heck, I assume that's what sunflowers, not sunflower seeds. I assume, isn't that what that is? There's one. I believe that's what that is. Just tiny, tiny. This also did not get any fertilizer. No, I take that back. We did fertilize it, I believe. I know the corn and the 2 spots in the corn did, because they were constantly, you know, fertilizing the corn, of course. But so yeah, there you have it, guys. Not so well. We'll still have good dove shoots out here. I'm not worried about that. This was just to make it a little bit better, I guess you could say. But our experiment didn't work, that's okay. We still gonna have good shoots. There's dove already out here. That cornfield will be planted for winter grazing for the cows, so I believe we can top sow wheat right before and hunt over it for Alabama game and fish regulations. But there'll be enough seed corn left on the ground. We can still have a good shoot. So thanks for watching, guys, and this wasn't a whole lot of a video, but just a little experiment we did. I wanted everybody else to see how it looked or how it didn't look and what we did wrong, and maybe I can get some comments and likes, and maybe somebody tell me what to do next year, when to plant South Alabama, when do we need to plant sunflower seeds for next year for dove season. So drop it in the comments below, let me know. Thanks, guys.